Hello friends, myself Sagar Barate. Currently I am in August batch. Today's date is 16 January and my video topic is string data in JPA. So let us discuss about first of all JPA in our JPA. So JPA means JPA stands for Java Persistent API and API stands for Application Programming Interface. So basically JPA, the JPA is an interface, and in our interface, with the help of JPA provider, we can use like JLink, Hibernate, and SQL Link. So that's all the JPA provider. So because of our JPA only the interface, so the implementation is the provided by to the JPA for this example like Hibernate. So before JPA starting, so one model is important role to our JPA system. So that's all ORM. So ORM stand for object programming mapping. So the Spring Data JPA or JPA stands for Java Persistent API. Though so object relational mapping is a simple process of processing any data object directly into the database. So main function of the ORM is to mapping the our data to our relational table. So in one condition is required. Suppose our project is fully on our Java language. So our our project is object between the object preferred by the object. So the database cannot understand the object. So ORM, the main function of ORM to convert the our data into the object and mapping our the relational table. So that's all the main functions. The Java Persistent API provides the specification to pursuing the reading and managing the data from our Java object to our relational database tables. So JPA specifications state to rule the guidelines to develop the interface that are following the standards. Straight to point, JPA is the just a guideline to implement to ORM, and there is no underlying code to implementation. So basically one question is required, why used to this JPA provider. So basically our JPA is only the interface. It's provide the small amounts of methods like delete, find, select, insert, so update this some functionality to the provide the JPA. But using the Hibernate to provider, using the Hibernate you get the extra functionality to our code and to achieve our programming to achieve your programming skills and our project. So that's all today video topic. Thank you guys.